Hi everyone, my name is Dana,
I'm Jasmine.
and today we're going to be talking about 4 essential oils that are good for different types of skin. So, like skin types like oily, combination, mature skin. So, what's the first one?
So the first one that we have is Geranium Essential Oil. So Geranium Essential Oil is good if you have oily or unbalanced skin. One of the benefits of geranium is that it's great for preventative aging. So it does help fight wrinkles because it does help tone and tighten your skin, which is really cool. Help balance your skin if you have unbalanced and oily skin. I kind of have combination skin, so I'm looking forward to kind of trying geranium, and it smells amazing.
It smells so good. It's one of my favorite aromas,
Yeah.
especially in like the floral category.
Mm-hmm. And another cool tip, or not a tip, but another cool thing about geranium is that it is known to help with stress. So can you imagine like doing like a nice little like serum for yourself, and then it's also a stress reliever?
That's like a perfect spa day.
Yeah, exactly. So you're gonna be smelling good all day. You're gonna be kind of relaxed, and so it helps your body, mind, and spirit, all of the above.
Sounds good.
So next we have tea tree essential oil. So we've talked about tea tree a lot on our YouTube and former Facebook lives. Tea tree is great for acne-prone skin, and it's also good for oily skin as well. It does have antibacterial and antifungal properties, so it does help dry out your breakouts, and it can help dry out that oily, like your oily skin. It does help dry it out. You have to be careful with tea tree because it will dry you out,
It
right?
is very dry.
Yeah.
So make sure you use like a moisturizer after.
Exactly, because you'll get the flakes and things, but you can always exfoliate your skin, just to get that going and get those dead cells off your.
You want to do that anyway, really.
True.
Take care of your skin. Do exfoliation. So the next essential oil that we'll be talking about is another one that we've talked a lot about, which is lavender. It's a very versatile oil, very gentle for skin, so we recommend it for sensitive skin types because it is so gentle.
Mm-hmm.
It's very healing, so if you do have like problem skin or sensitive skin or even dry skin, it's soothing. Great for inflamed skin as well. So, and it smells great. It's another floral one that smells really wonderful.
Love it.
It's also super relaxing, just like geranium. You could probably make something with geranium and lavender that would be really nice.
Ooh, that would probably smell amazing.
Yeah, so the next one, the last one that we'll be talking about is patchouli. So patchouli is really great for mature and aging skin just because it is helpful for wrinkles. It's also really great for extremely dry skin. It helps moisturize and soothe dry, cracked skin, and also blemishes too. It definitely helps with like skin problems like acne or eczema. So
yeah, patchouli has so many amazing benefits.
Yes, it does have a very unique scent though. It's kind of hit or miss with people.
Definitely.
So if you love patchouli, you love it. If you hate it, you hate it.
Mm-hmm. It was very big back in like the hippie days.
Yeah, the 60s.
Yeah, the 60s,
for sure.
Definitely.
But yeah, hope you guys learned something today, and let us know what essential oils you use on your skin and how you use them. We'd love to hear from you.
And they're great for DIY, so if you have any DIYs or any tips, let us know. We love, like Dana said, we'd love to hear from you in the comments down below.
See you guys next week.